Inside the animate functions, you will need to draw each of the checkpoints onto the canvas. So we have here our animate function. Rather, we are to add a for each loop that iterates through the checkpoints array. So we would have to write the array first, which would be the checkpoints, and then interpolate the method, which is the for loop, for each rather. So for each is a method used for arrays. So we access an array and then iterate on the elements on that array and perform a condition which should be inside the for each. So inside the callback function, okay, a callback function looks like this. Add the checkpoint parameter, and for the body, wait. So we add the checkpoint parameter, and for the body, call draw method on each checkpoint. So we have now accessed the elements in the array checkpoints using the for each, and those individual elements has been named as checkpoint, and those individual elements that has been accessed with the for each and has been iterated, we have to call here in our callback function of the for each and interpolate the method draw, which is a custom method made by us here, and that would be it. Nice.